Oh, I fell down that cliff. Crap. It looks like I'm bleeding pretty bad. Oh, man. Just pouring blood, just pouring out. Direct pressure is definitely not working. I still have blood coming through. I got to get some gauze. Grab my shears real quick. Just cut a little bit of a bigger hole. Shoot, I need help. I need help real bad. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. So I expose it, and it's just pouring out. Crap, it's just spraying out. Okay, so I'm going to grab some gauze, get my trauma dressing. We'll see if that helps to stop it. Gauze pad in place. I'm going to have to call 911 here pretty soon. I can still feel it dripping through my leg. It's soaking through this dressing. Okay, so the direct pressure is not stopping with this gauze. You can see it just soaking through. So I'm going to need to get some gauze out and actually start to wound pack. So this is a junctional injury where direct pressure typically can't compress the vasculature well enough because of the pelvis. Similar to your underarm, say maybe the neck area. So back to the scenario. Oh, it's still just pumping. Okay, where's my gauze? I'm going to grab my gauze. All right, make my little power ball thing here. Blood's still pouring out. I don't have it on artery yet. It's still blowing by. Oh, okay, take the rest of it. Remember, okay, finger to finger. Keep one finger in. Don't take any pressure off. Okay, looks like we're stopping the bleed. Every time I move, it's still bleeding. Okay, so we're going to try to fill this entire injury site here with gauze. Trying to keep my finger on it. This doesn't have any hemostatic powder in it, okay? So this isn't going to form a clot necessarily because this has some special powder in there. That's usually called a hemostat, and it looks like it's still bleeding, okay? So we're going to try to pack this all the way. If there's any gauze left over, this is just regular gauze. It does not have any hemostatic powder in it. It's not going to create a clot similar to those. This will take at least 10, probably 15 minutes of pressure. Looks like it stopped the bleed for now. So I'm just going to unroll this gauze and pack it on top. And I'm just going to hold pressure for probably at least 10 or 15 minutes before we assess for more bleeding. Like I said, this isn't a hemostat. It's just regular gauze. But if I have to treat other injuries, I'm going to have to use something here to compress this and hold pressure besides me. So I'm going to go ahead and use an Israeli-style dressing. It's a 6-inch compression dressing. If this was a hemostat, like Celox, Combat Gauze, something with that hemostatic powder in it that's going to create a clot on its own outside of the body's clotting mechanism, usually that's going to clot in about 3 minutes. If you're using a rapid version, that's probably at about a minute. What we're using here, just regular gauze, stuff like this, without any type of a hemostatic powder in there, then you're looking at anywhere from 5, 10, 15 minutes, maybe even longer. So I'm at about 5 minutes right now with direct pressure. The pressure on top of the packed gauze is seems to be working. So I'm going to go ahead and get on the phone with 911 here in a minute, but I can't keep holding pressure here. I'm going to have to use a compression dressing. So I've got my Israeli-style dressing, still holding pressure. This is your pressure bar. It's elastic. This is a 6-inch version. I'm going to wrap this up underneath. I'm going to place this pressure bar directly over the top of where I've been packing or the injury site itself. And then between this little clip right here, this little opening, I'm going to take the dressing, I'm going to twist it and put it through, okay? Make sure when you're using these, you're using the entire width of the dressing. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull back over on itself. By pulling back over on itself, now this thing is V'd up, or is now going to help to create a pressure point on top of that spot we just wound packed. So pull really tight. Keep the full width of this dressing. Use up the entire width of the dressing. Don't let it pinch up or get pulled up real narrow like. Looks like it's still working. I'm not seeing any blood coming through here. When we get to the end, you have a closure bar here. This opens up here. This opens up here. It's got some little northern pike teeth in there. What you're going to do is pull this really tight. We're going to look for some extra material on the dressing itself, and we're going to open that clip up or just slide it in place so that it hooks